right here. Very good morning, students. So in the previous class we discussed about a mirror equation and as well as the magnifications also finished, and based on that one problem also we finished it. And then let us will see the other problems on the basis of same mirror equation, because it is only related to reflection. So let us, I'll tell you from our material, there is a one question is given on the basis of mirror equation. That page number will be, page number is 45 and the question number is given as 6. Question number is given as 6. I'll read the question, and you remember this question is given in the year of 2018 May, right, in TS board, that is Telangana state government or intermediate public examination. So in this question is given a concave mirror of focal length is given. From our material I am telling, concave mirror of focal length, that is 10 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from a wall. See that here you remember 10 centimeter is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter of a wall. How far from the wall should an object is placed so that the real image is formed on the wall? Very good. The question will be very clear is given. There is a one concave mirror is given. I will draw the diagram. You check the diagram once. It is a one concave mirror, right? So the concave mirror of focal length is given as 10, right, centimeters, and placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from wall. So there is a one wall is there. This is a wall which is at a distance is 35 centimeter from the wall. Distance, this is the wall, and the distance between the mirror and the wall is given 35 centimeter from a wall. How far from the wall should be an object is placed? Is asking where should be an object is placed from the wall. Is asking this distance. Suppose there is an object is like this. I don't know how far it is. How far it is. How far it is. When the object is at a distance from the wall, therefore the image will form. The real image is formed on the wall. That image will form. See, the image due to this object, there will be a real image is formed at a distance. The real image is formed on the same on the wall. That you say V is equal to, you say the image distance is like this. So where should be the object is placed so that the image will form on the wall? This is the question. The given information is like this. So that use the mirror equation. First you get a object distance, because we don't know the object distance. From the mirror we should get. After that you subtract this value, then we'll get the distance between the wall. Distance between the wall and the object. You say like this. So that we know the equation mirror 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Here very simple. Here is asking only thing is about a this one. No, you do one thing. This you take this side 1 by minus 1 by v. Here the values are given now. One is 10, right? You take here it is 1 by f, that is 10, minus 1 by v is given as 35. See, afterwards we'll give the sign conventions. 35 minus 10 by 350 is equal to 1 by u. So that we'll get the 25 by 350 is equal to 1 by u. Therefore, u is equal to 350 divided by 25. So what will happen? Suppose you divide this 5 ones, 5 sevens are 35, 70, 5 ones, right, and 5 fours. It is a 1 by 4. This is the distance of the object from the mirror. Of course, this distance is measured opposite. No? You take as a sign convention is minus. This is the object distance is given, but is asking the distance between, in the question, the distance between object and the wall. The distance between these. So we know the distance of wall from the mirror is 35 minus 14. It is approximately, we'll get the 21 centimeter. So the distance between these two is how much now? 21. So this is the way the question given. For which one it is? The related to concave mirror, right? Let us see. I'll tell you another question on this basis. There is a focal length of a, I think it is lenses, not required because lenses are not over now. Then we'll see the next question. Right, there was another question is given in the page number, see it is given in the LAQs, question number 1. So the question number 1 in the LAQ given, that is the part 2, page number is, which is 51, and question number is 1 in this one B part, because question number 1 is a mirror equation that is over already. But the B is given as an object is 5 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror. The radius of curvature is 20 centimeter. Find the size of the image. Very simple. You take again concave mirror. Say every time here we should take a diagrams, ray diagrams, and it is very simple. But we can get the very easy, right? See, there is an object distance is given. Object height also given, that is given as a 5 centimeter. It is a object height, you say HO is placed at a 15 centimeter from the concave mirror. The distance is given as a 15 centimeter from the mirror, right? A radius of curvature is given as 20 centimeter. So that you take as a radius of curvature is given as 20 centimeter for this mirror. Then find the size of the image. So the image will be forms. This is asking HI, the image size is asking. So for this what we have to do, sir, actually here H is there, U is there, radius of curvature is there, but we don't know the F. But here you write U is equal to minus 15, R is equal to minus 20, sign convention should to be applied, H naught is equal to 5. Is asking image size, but it is the magnification is equal to size of the image by size of the object. So that we don't know HI, is asking HI, and we don't know the magnification. So that first of all we should get a magnification. For that magnification we should get a magnification by using the formula V is equal to minus V by U. This is the magnification. In that U already is there, but we don't know the V. So V we should find. Before that we should get an F value also, because F also not there, no. Then there is a, for F is equal to minus R by 2. So F is equal to, we may get directly, it is, you don't write minus, it is minus 20 by 2. So that we will get the minus 10 centimeter is the focal length. Yes, it is over. Now we should get a V, so that 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Better you simplify here. 1 by F minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by V. Yeah, F value already is there, minus 20. I'm sorry, minus 10. That is you take as a minus 10. And U also given as minus 15. So that you take a minus 15 is becomes 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by V. So you take a simplification here. We will get the 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. So 1 by V is equal to minus 15 plus 10 by 150. So it is becomes minus 5 by 150. So V is equal to 150 by 5. So maybe it is a minus 30 is the image distance. Is the image distance. Image is forms at a distance. Now you go through with the magnification, because we should find the magnification, because we have to find the height of the image, no. So that use this, then we'll get the like this. It is will be we can take minus of minus 30 by it is minus 15. So that is minus 30 by 15. The magnification will be minus 2. Clear? And you are asking this one, you take this one, directly we can m is equal to hi by h naught. So hi is asking m is -2, h naught is object height is given as 5. So image will be -10 because it is the inverted image. No, that inverted will be measured in downward. Downward is nothing but we can call as the negative image will form. Negative image will form. So this is the one question related to concave mirror like this, right? It is given in the page number 51, question number 1 LAQ. This is the LAQ question. In that LAQ, the part B is clear. Let us. So we'll see the next question. The continuation is given, same there only. So same question there only given. Question number 2. Question number 2. Same page number 51, question number 2, that is LAQ. One first question is using the neat labeled diagram, derive the mirror equation and define linear magnification. Of course, we know the mirror equation and magnification also we know. And second question is asking, that is the B. An object is placed at a 5 centimeter from the convex lens. Here the given is convex. Okay, this is actually related to the lens is given. It's not related to the mirror, right? Yeah, actually the question I think it was given wrong. There you wrote a concave mirror. Concave mirror it is. Sorry, convex mirror you take. So we'll do the convex mirror problem. See the question number 2, it is the same page number, the B part. So there is a convex mirror is given. In the question I think it is a printing mistake. You take like this. Yeah, you go for the question. There is a convex is given. The vex in the sense is, we can say, cave surface is closed, so that there is an object. Object is given is at a distance is 5 centimeter. You take an object. So the distance is given, u is equal to 5 centimeter it is. And here concave mirror focal length is given as 15 centimeter. Of course, it is the focal length, f is equal to 15, because which the rays goes and it is forms like this and it is reflected like this. So you take a 15 centimeter. Yes, u given as 15, that is you take as a minus. F is positive because in case of a concave mirror, which we can take as a positive. So image distance is asking. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. There here you write a direct values, will get the answer. 1 by 15 is equal to f value given. Image distance is asking minus 1 by 5. Right? You take this side, 15 plus 5, 1 by v. So 5 plus 15 by 5 into 15. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are and 75 is equal to 1 by v. There may be it is 20 by 75, 1 by v. V is equal to 75 by 20. Approximately we may get it is I think it is right. See, this is approximately 7.5 will get. It is an image is virtual image. Virtual image. Here you do one thing. First of all, you take a plus, then this will becomes minus. Yes, we did wrong here. Minus 10. This is the minus 10 by 7.7. Yeah, it is. Then we'll get the minus. Real nature of the image will be virtual image. Like this. This is the next question related to a mirror equation. Right. There is another question is given on the basis of same mirror. I will tell you 8th and 9th questions. Look at. So there is another question on the basis of same mirrors. So look at the page number. Yeah. So the page number I think 56. Question number is 8. Given question: find a two position of an object. Two positions on object placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length. Yes, object is placed in front of a concave mirror. A focal length is 15 centimeter is given, so that the image is formed is 3 times the size of the object. See, the image will be formed, that is the magnification is given as 3u. That is 3 times the magnification. 3 times the magnification the size of the object will be. See, is asking size of the object in both the situations. 2 images is asking. So that here we know magnification m is equal to minus v by u. Right? M is given as 3u, right? You take as a m value which is one position, and by using this we should get, first of all, it is the size of the object we should get, because it is given that image will be 3 times more 3 times. The image formed is 3 times the size of the object. The magnification is given. So that there is one formula is there for magnification, that is actually m we should get by using this v by u, no? So that we should convert is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. You convert this v we should get by using this equation, 1 by f minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. So u minus f by fu is equal to 1 by v. From here v is equal to fu by u minus f. Suppose you write here instead of this, then we'll get the magnification, that is minus of fu by u minus f into 1 by u cancel. So m is equal to f by u minus f. This is the magnification in terms of u and f. So that the image will be given, magnification is given 3, focal length is given 15, right? U is asking. Here also I think minus is there, no? You take a minus, u minus, it is given as 15, right? So you take this, then you simplify this, we'll get the 3 is equal to 15 by 15 minus u. So cross multiply, 15 minus u is equal to 15, because minus you multiply with minus, it is becomes the changes. So here 3 5s are 15, 3 1s, right, 15, no? 3 5s are 15, 3 1s it is 45 minus 3u is equal to 15. Minus 3u is equal to 15 minus 45. So minus 3u is equal to minus 30. Then u is equal to 30 by 3. This is the one position of object. One position of object. Right? Okay, and we'll go for the next question, 9th question in the same problem. 9th question. Ninth question. Yes, 9th one, I'll read the question. When using a concave mirror of magnification is found 4 times the as much when the object is 25 centimeter. Say there is a question in the same page number. Question number is 9. Same page number, question number is 9. Question number is 9. Same page number 56. Question number is 9. When using a concave mirror, the magnification is found to be 4 times as much when the object is 25 centimeter from the mirror as it is when the object is 40 centimeter from the mirror. So that the given is object distance is given 25 centimeter. And there it is to be the magnification is given. I assume that the object is at 25 centimeter from the mirror. The magnification will be m2 is equal to m. So that you say 4 times the magnification is given, no? So here you write here, first of all, we can take like this, m1, which we can take like this. m1 is equal to first magnification, it is a 4 times m. But what is m1? Just now I derived the expression, it is u plus f, right? So that here m1 is equal to given as 4m f by 25 plus f. So that we'll get the one expression like this, it is 4m is equal to like this. And you go for the second equation, that is given is u is equal to 40 centimeter, but m2 is equal to, you say, m. And this expression also you take, m is equal to like this, it is f by u plus f. So m as it is m you take, but it is a 40 centimeter is given. This you say expression 1 and this you say expression 2. See, actually is asking what is the focal length now? In the question is asking focal length. So suppose you divide these equations 1 by 2. You take 4m by m is equal to f by 25 plus f by f by 40 plus f. F cancel, m cancel. 4 is equal to, this will come up 40 plus f by 25 plus f. So simple cross multiply. Therefore 4 into 25 plus f is equal to 40 plus f. See, 4 it is hundreds, 4f, and it is equal to 40 plus f. So we should get this one, no? 100 minus this, it is you say f minus 4f. So maybe third 60 will get, and 3f. So f is equal to approximately 60 by minus, so minus 20 centimeter. So like this the question related to focal length of a concave mirror. Related to concave mirror. And here another example problem is there in the same material. Page number 57, you do that question. There is a 2.1 question number. Question number is 2.1. Suppose you go through that, because I told you so many example problems. We discussed a number of problems on the basis of mirrors. So you go that remaining problems which was given in the 57 page number, that is a 2.1 example 1, and you take a 2.2 example. You suppose you do the homeworks, because you are at home only, no? Examples 57 page number 2.1 question number example exercise, it is 2.2 another example. Related to mirrors, I am telling you do only related mirror problems, not required other problems, because we are not at finished other concepts, no? Suppose you do these problems so that you will get the more accuracy in the examinations, right? So this is about our reflection through the mirrors, like spherical mirrors and plane mirrors. So this is the one part finished in the ray optics and optical instrument, one part, because about a reflection till now we discussed. Till this class we discussed only reflection only through the mirrors. So that is a spherical mirror as well as a plane mirrors are finished, right? We'll see in the next class about a refractions. Thank you very much. Thank you.